Good day, good day. Welcome back sa ating page. Next topic natin, Deadman Alarm. Deadman Alarm, itong ginagamit sa UMS sa engine room. Bakit ginagamit ito sa UMS sa engine room? Ito ang pinaka-importante para sa duty engineers. Para sa kanilang safety, bago sila mag-rounds. Example, meron silang alarms or during rounds nila. Kailangan nilang gagamitin to. Tingnan at panoorin hanggang dulo para malaman natin bakit importante to sa mga duty engineers. Okay? And then, ito din ang mga chine-check ng mga inspector kung tama ba yung time, sakto ba yun sa SOLAS requirements natin. Okay? Check natin ang mga times at settings. Tayo na. Pasok.
Guys, today I'll be sharing to you one of the items which the inspector is checking. As you can see here, there are various signs when you enter the engine room. I'll be sharing to you the specific alarm which the inspector is checking, and this is it, the dead man's alarm.
Pagpasok nyo pa lang ng engine room, may notice ka agad or poster. Ito nakalagay, ER man mode. Example, kadalasan, normally lahat, pag nasa engine room ka, mayroon kang alarms o magra-rounds ka, tatawag ka muna ng bridge para confirmation, and then turn on mo yung dead man's alarm. Kailangan, ang sa regulation, nasa pintuan na mismo yung button ng engine room dead man's alarm. Bago ka pa talaga papasok, nasa bungad. Check natin mamaya kung nandun ba talaga. Okay? Sige.
So, what is it? So, I'll be showing you now. One of the selection box. So, the engine room dead man's alarm is this one. System on, system off. Front, right. So what is really dead man's alarm? So let's go.
As you can see, nandito yung push button sa system on. Dead man's alarm. Nasa entrance talaga. And then, pwede mo siyang ma-on bago ka papasok. At saka pwede mo rin siyang ma-off pagkatapos mo ma-rectify ang alarm or tapos mong mag-ground check. And then, tatawag ka sa bridge para ma-confirm na nakalabas ka na ng engine room.
So we're here at the engine control room. This is one of the panels for the engine room deadman alarm system. The engine room deadman alarm system is used as a safety for the engineers whenever they are coming down to the engine room after the engine room is unmanned. So, what the inspector really checks is the criteria on board for deadman alarm. So in here, you can see that there is a 10-minute light and 3-minute plus 3-minute light and sounder. What does it mean? The moment you activate the deadman alarm, you press this one, it starts counting for about 10 minutes, and then the sounders outside will sound and illuminate. After 10 minutes has elapsed and then the engineer did not reset the system, it will count. The timer will still add another 3 minutes until that time elapses. That alarm will affix in here will we will have an alarm on our AMS. So, as we have seen that the system is on, I'll be showing you the notification outside when this is active. When this is active.
Okay, actual scenario lang tayo. Kahit maingay, i-recap lang natin para maintindihan natin. Normally, maingay talaga yung engine room pagpasok. And then, eto yung deadman's alarm. Naka-install to sa ER console. Engine room console. Tapos, meron siyang system on, system off, system reset. Pagdating ng 10 minutes, flasher lights sa signal column. Yung signal column, yung mga indicator lights dun. Tsaka horn. Papakita ko mamaya sa inyo. And then, eto yung deadman's alarm. Pagkatapos 10 minutes, kung hindi mo pa ma-reset, meron na naman siyang additional 3 minutes para sasabay na naman yung lights and buzzer. Yun. 10 minutes, light only. And then, 3 minutes, additional 3 minutes, lights and sounder. Deadman's alarm. Itong parang nakahiga na tao. Ito yung indicator niya. At saka meron din siyang reset button. Yung reset button, every floor ng engine room meron. Kasi pag nandun ka sa ilalim, pwedeng reset mo lang siya. Tapos mag-count na naman ng 10 minutes. Tingnan natin yung setting ng timer. Tapos paano i-set para ma-simulate natin kapag merong inspector. Kasi para hindi na tayo maghihintay ng 10 minutes or 3 minutes o depende sa setting.
Now I'll be showing you where the relays, the timer relays are located for the deadman's alarm. Turn the lights on. Deadman alarm, or should we say the DMA. In here we have the timer for the 10 minutes. After this timer has elapsed, we then give this signal for the engine EMS, which is set at 3 minutes. So, in order to simulate the alarm, not to wait for 10 minutes, because normally the inspector would like to see the actual alarm. Just lower down this.
Yung relay timer na 41T1 nakaset ng 10 minutes. Yun yung naka-time ngayong gumagana na timer. And then babaan natin ngayon sa lower, mga 1 minute or lower para mag-aalarma kagad.
Setting. So, as you can hear the sound, let's go outside to check the signal light for the deadman.
Nakita nyo sa labas, lights indicator lang ng signal column ang nagana. Ngayon, pag set natin ng below 2 minutes, yung timer na 41T2 ang gumagana. 3 minutes na naman yun. Ibig sabihin, yung sound and light, yun yung nakaset sa 3 minutes. Pagkatapos ng 3 minutes.
We have seen that the signal is already activated, so it's counting for 3 minutes again for the engine room alarm system to activate. Just for checking, also, you can lower down the setting.
41T2, pag natapos na yung timer na 41T2, yun na yung next na alarm niya. Mag-sounder na naman siya dun sa AMS, monitoring system natin. Mag-aalarma siya dito. Yan o, dead man's alarm.
Alarm na activated. Turn it off.
Okay, recap tayo. Kung hindi nyo nasundan, rewind nyo na lang or i-pause. Thank you sa nanonood. Pero etong dead man's alarm, ito yung pinaka-importante, isa sa mga importanteng bagay para sa safety ng mga duty engineers. Tapos, lagi nating test para malaman natin kung gumagana talaga yung system. Huwag babaliwalain. Okay? Pag sa hindi pa nakasubscribe dyan, subscribe na at saka hit yung notification bell para ma-notify kayo every time mag-upload kami ng videos. Thank you sa walang sawang suporta. Like us on Facebook, Barko TV. And then, meron pa kaming mga ibang videos doon. Baka makatulong sa ating lahat. Tsaka meron ding playlist dito sa Hulihan. Pwede nyo ring i-browse. Meron pa kaming mga videos din. Thank you very much.